In the realm of chaos, the mind becomes the architect, shaping responses before events unfold and define the day. As Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events, so the inner fortress must be built within. Timeless Epictetus reminds us that it's not what happens to you, but how you react, turning adversity into a steady forge. Each setback is a brick laid with perspective, transforming storms into doors, revealing paths once hidden by fear. By choosing calm interpretation, the viewer rebuilds resilience daily, proving that changing perception reshapes fate more than chance.